If you're searching for a durable, versatile, and timeless piece of cookware, the Cuisinel 15-inch cast iron skillet is a must-have. Whether you're a passionate home cook or someone who enjoys the occasional backyard barbecue, this skillet is designed to elevate your cooking experience. It comes with a tempered glass lid, a silicone handle grip cover, and a black pan scraper, offering a complete package for any cooking enthusiast. Let's dive into this in-depth review to discover why this skillet is a game-changer for your kitchen arsenal. Precision heat distribution for perfect cooking. One of the standout features of the Cuisinel 15-inch cast iron skillet is its even heat distribution. Thanks to its smooth finish, the skillet ensures your food cooks evenly, whether you're searing a steak, frying eggs, or baking cornbread. This precision heat control works across various heat sources, including grills, stoves, and induction cooktops, making it the ideal choice for diverse cooking needs. For camping or grilling aficionados, this skillet shines. Its robust construction makes it suitable for high-heat outdoor environments, ensuring that you can cook your favorite meals wherever you go. Complete with silicone handle holder and tempered glass lid, safety and convenience are paramount in any kitchen, and this skillet delivers both. The included silicone handle holder offers a secure non-slip grip, reducing the risk of burns. However, since silicone grips can heat up during prolonged cooking, always use an oven mitt or towel for added safety. The tempered glass lid is another excellent addition. It traps heat and moisture, allowing you to simmer, braise, or steam food with ease. The clear design lets you monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, keeping flavors locked in. Intuitive design with assist loop handle and pour spouts. Handling a 15-inch cast iron skillet might seem intimidating, but the assist loop handle simplifies the task. Designed for two-handed use, this feature ensures a stable grip even when the skillet is full. This design makes it versatile for tasks beyond frying, such as baking casseroles, cakes, or pies. The inclusion of dual pour spouts is a thoughtful touch. Whether you're transferring sauces, draining grease, or pouring batter, these spouts make the process effortless and mess-free. Built to last. Superior craftsmanship. Durability is a hallmark of cast iron cookware, and the Cuisinel skillet lives up to this legacy. Crafted with pre-seasoned cast iron, this skillet offers a naturally non-stick surface that improves with use. With proper care, this cookware can last for decades, making it a worthwhile investment. The skillet arrives pre-seasoned, but occasional reseasoning is recommended to maintain its performance. This ensures the surface remains smooth, rust-free, and ready for any recipe you throw at it. Easy to clean and maintain. Caring for cast iron might seem daunting, but the Cuisinel skillet simplifies the process. After each use, hand wash the skillet with mild soap and warm water. Avoid air drying. Instead, heat the skillet on the stove to evaporate moisture and apply a light layer of oil for seasoning. The included black pan scraper makes cleanup even easier, helping you remove stubborn food residues without damaging the surface. Remember, this skillet is not dishwasher safe, but with proper care, it's incredibly easy to maintain. Versatility. From kitchen to outdoor adventures, what makes the Cuisinel 15-inch cast iron skillet truly unique is its versatility. You can use it for frying, baking, roasting, and grilling. Here's a glimpse of what this skillet can handle. Breakfast favorites. Fluffy pancakes, crispy bacon, or perfectly fried eggs. Savory meals, sear steaks, burgers, or chicken to perfection. Baked delights. Whip up cornbread pies or cobblers with ease. Camping recipes. Cook over an open flame for an authentic outdoor experience. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this skillet adapts to your needs effortlessly. The perfect gift for food enthusiasts. The Cuisinel cast iron skillet isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves to cook. Its robust construction, premium features, and versatility make it an excellent choice for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays. Plus, the included accessories add extra value, ensuring that the recipient has everything they need to get started. Why choose the Cuisinel 15-inch cast iron skillet? Here's a quick summary of the benefits this skillet brings to your kitchen. Durable and long-lasting, pre-seasoned cast iron that improves with age. Versatile design, perfect for frying, baking, roasting, and grilling. Even heat distribution, ensures consistent cooking results. Safe and user-friendly, silicone grip and tempered glass lid enhance convenience. Easy to clean, pan scraper included for effortless maintenance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.